friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the beginning of December. Lots of stuff going on, although like maybe not so much this week other than like Black Friday orders that are coming in. I have organized my Coffee Planner Mom stickers into envelopes for right now. At some point I will be cool enough to have a sticker album like all the other planner girls out there. I always say that. But I had these envelopes from, this is going to sound funny because we've been married 4 years, but these are like envelopes from wedding invitations and thank you card things from Something's Afoot. And Sharpie's going to know who it is. So yeah, I'm just using these right now to kind of hold all of these. So these have like the freebies and the functional stickers in it. And then these are like the big sheets that have like kits and stuff like that. So, fun time. I figured since we are in that holiday season, I would go ahead and get started with the rustic kit this week, because what I love about Coffee Planner Mom kits is you can use them for so many weeks. Like, I started actually kind of reworking, this was during my organizing time, like any kits that I just had little bits of leftovers on, I have now put on a page like that. Birthday is upside down. That'll bother me. So like some of the Halloween stickers, some of the autumn stickers, because like oranges can work for other things too. Purple and black can work for other things too. So I just kind of pulled off all of the extra sticker, like where it was cut out. So this is plain sticker paper, and I just started sticking the stickers on there. It's a lot of sticking, a lot of words. Anyway. So, I should have the quotes kit in here too. Let me see. Or maybe I have it hidden in this because I try to put things. Yes, I do. Okay. And the dino has made its first appearance in the planner video. Here we go. All right. I don't exactly know how I'm going to do this one. I just know that I'm going to do fun things. Tell Tuesday. So I almost don't want to use it, but yet I want to use it, is the let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We might have our first like accumulations lake effect snow thing happening, which would like be awesome, but I also don't want to jinx it. I know that sounds silly. You can't actually jinx anything. But still, what do I do? All right, let's start with the easy stuff. Let us cover up top priorities. Do we have a, let's use a littler box. And my whiteout. See, I told you, I'm so excited to plan, but I'm also like, not exactly sure. Probably the biggest thing this week, going back to school, is to start recording our concert music. And I've already told the kids, I was like, we're going to treat this like any other concert because, you know, every time there's Thanksgiving break, doesn't matter. Does not matter the season, what's going on in the world, there tends to be a lot of illness because it just wasn't enough time to get over whatever you might have gotten when you were at home with break and, you know, visiting family. Now, I know this year's a little bit different. I get that. But I also know that this year is not that different. Do I don't know. All of the things. All right, let's do. There's just so many choices, and I love all of these stickers. It makes it really hard to choose. Right? Okay, let's go ahead. We're gonna use this guy for meal plans this week. I think what I'll do is I'll use it as dinners. I'll use the dinner sticker. There's some things that are the same every week, so I should just start there. Right? I should just start there. And then there's the Let It Snow box there. Do I dare? I think I dare. I think I dare. And we're just going to use it to label Cyber Monday. Let's do that. Because then there's nothing that can be like, it's not like, oh, you put it there because you thought you might get a snow day. No, 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 no. I'm using it to notate Cyber Monday. Because Pink Zebra will have a special on Cyber Monday. So, we got that. Shh. No one needs to know. No, Cyber Monday you can know about, but like the fact that I might possibly want to have a snow day. I'll look at my functional stickers because I don't mind bringing some black in here. And some freebies. I do have a lot of different like bullets and checklists, boxes. Probably not going to use the orange ones right now. I think I'm going to use Buffalo Plaid somewhere else. I'm going to grab this guy out. I think I'm going to grab this guy out just because. Why not? Maybe this was an oops. So I'll grab that guy as well. How's that? Look at me, almost being organized. Almost. That's a very big almost. So payday is here, which will mean it's actually here. Trash night is here. Tell Tuesday is here. How do I want to mark those? So yeah, the big thing, especially school-wise, and I know this isn't my teacher planner, but will be to make sure our concerty goodness is starting to get recorded. And I may do multiple recordings. I already told them this. I was like, we may record a couple times and then pick the best one. And then the other thing I have to do is I have to teach my Zoomy kids how I want them to record themselves so that I can try and put it together. Oh, it's going to be interesting, guys. But I think it's going to be fun. Even if it doesn't work out entirely as planned, I think it's still going to be a lot of fun. We're going to put trash night up here. And of course, Tell Tuesday. I'm trying to use up these guys. I should have used that trash night. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. I'm trying to use up all of my bits and pieces. Oh, I grabbed trash night again. Look at me. I'm sure you all were yelling through the screen. That's not Tell Tuesday, Holly. That's not Tell Tuesday. All right. So there is that. I don't want to use the date covers yet. I'm going to use that another time. Got some boxes that we can use. Checklist. So normally, I think the other thing I want to do is, oh, we gotta do chores. Chores is the next thing. Do I have a chores on this one? I do. Yes. Using up the stickers. We did get our tree up, and I'm very happy about that. I think I'll use just a regular checklist sticker. Bring in some green over here. And maybe some holly. So we did get our tree up, and it looks beautiful. I'm so excited. I feel like maybe we do another full box like over here. I did like leaving white space. Oh, I probably can't get that up. We're not gonna even try. No. I did like leaving white space in my planners the last few weeks because I've been going back in the evenings and journaling, and it's been super duper helpful for like my mind, body, heart, and spirit. I'm not gonna lie. So we have sleigh bells ring in 2 spots. I think I'm gonna use the black one. Almost use it like a weekend banner. Maybe put a Santa hat on it. The stickers have now gone everywhere. That is what's happened. I feel like I'm missing a page. Am I missing a page? No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes, it's this one. I knew we had. Some smaller Santa hats. Yes, thank you. All right, let's put a couple more boxes for my pink zebra posting and YouTube stuff, and then we'll probably be done. Not trying to, like, I want there to be more, but I'm also trying to like keep things pretty simple and all that fun stuff. So let's do maybe more green over here. And I know some of the boxes are going down crooked, but we will survive. And let's use some of these. Checklist there. I like these little like 4-dot checklists. They're like perfect for just simple little lists. So there's that. I think I'm going to stop there with the boxes and things. Maybe not. Hang on. It's super cute. I'm very excited. I know that's silly. Stickers get me very happy. actually, no, I think I'm going to wait to use those. I think this might be it, guys. And I know I was like, not a super ton of stuff, but I don't mind having the white space. White space can be super helpful. Everything's super. Sorry. This be my word for today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I will link Coffee Planner Mom in the description below, and I will catch you all in the next one.